What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rich coming back with another video as always. Thank you for tuning in to another one. We are back with a special kind of video. We have a nice big box, something that we're going to be unboxing. It is this Fastline Performance 3-inch single catback exhaust from our buddies at Heeltoe. Shout out to Marcus for this nice package. We are doing kind of unboxing, reveal, seeing what's good, seeing how we like it. We get a nice fresh new exhaust because you guys know we've been dealing with quite a bit of exhaust leaks and patching constantly, and I've kind of wanted to already try something different, see if we get a different sound or output. So it's a Fastline Performance catback exhaust, 3-inch single exit resonated. So we have the resonated version and the non-resonated version, so we could do comparisons, see how loud it is, how raspy it is, and how we like it. Choose between the two if we want to go a little bit more rowdy or, you know, stay a little bit more quiet. So in my car, we got the Weapon R headers test pipe going to the 3-inch piping, ultra quiet vibrant resonator. In the back is the K-Tune turn down muffler. At first it was a pretty good sound and whatnot. First start up, it felt great, sounded great, but then over time we started dealing with all these little pinholes or exhaust issues. As you guys see, I'm kind of set up right here. We're going to be going live right now and doing a live unboxing of this and just kind of doing first looks. We'll see how we put out this video. I kind of want to keep you guys on your toes a little bit, but also make it a good video. We'll be doing comparisons of my exhaust, the resonated version and the non-resonated version, seeing what the difference is and how loud and raspy, whatever, you know, just seeing what's different about it. Nonetheless, let's get to this. Let me set up this live and I'll get back to you guys. We are live on YouTube. Got the camera going. Oh, shit! Good thing it wasn't open. I don't know what to pull out first. Dun, dun, dun. As you guys can tell, we got a nice exhaust that came in from Heeltoe. Just wanted to show you real quick because I was kind of explaining on the live. You guys see right here, this is the non-resonated pipe. It's kind of hard to tell. Non-resonated pipe, we're looking on the website. So we got both variants, 3-inch single exit. The resonator, which is right there. So we got the resonator. Yeah, that is the full 3-inch single exit catback exhaust. I just wanted to say big shout out to Heeltoe for making this video possible. I already know we have an exhaust, but I've been dealing with some issues and I kind of want to see if I could make a different tone and just more content, so it's fun, you know, it's more content for you guys. Overall, it looks pretty good. Either get rid of this one or that one, the resonator, and that's the full kit. So shout out to Heeltoe, 5% off, code RICH if you want to save yourself a couple dollars. A couple dollars don't hurt. Alright, so we are back in our little workshop. It is Saturday night, so we're gonna have to crack open a little bottle to vibe out tonight. We're gonna get my car up. So we're about to take off my exhaust right now. It just got one hanger left and the whole shebang pops out in one piece. One big ass piece. Sweet spot of this. It's like right at the tip. There we go. That was easy.
Like that.
Shit. And this. My brother in his shop. You guys see what we got going on right here. Like, this sucks. This sucks. We do what we gotta do, man, because we don't gotta lift anymore. Well, I never had one in the first place, but, you know, my brethren had one. Yeah, this kind of sucks. So I got these bolts in right here for the mid pipe. I didn't put the resonated version in. I want to see how loud it's going to be without the resonator. I thought it maybe would have came with a gasket for right here. I need to buy one, so I'm going to pick one up. And when I do switch to the resonator version, I'll probably swap that out. Tight you want it, but obviously you want it kind of tight. I feel like that's pretty solid up in there. We were working it. The ultimate shitty part is being on the ground. Alright, I feel like that should be good. I don't want to go crazy with the tightening. So for the rear muffler part, they supply this gasket and the bolts for it. And I had to find a spare hanger. Well, she found a spare hanger. But yeah, what time is it? It's like 1 in the morning. I don't know, guys. We were pretty tired.
106.
106. So yeah, we've been drinking a whole bottle of wine. I'm just pretty tired, and being on the floor like this and working and all this shit, my sinuses are kind of fucked up. Especially after I got something in my eye and that like triggered everything. That shit was hurting.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday. It is Sunday, like 10 a.m. We went to bed at like 3 in the morning or whatever it was. If I look pretty tired, I am, because we literally just woke up. We're excited to get up, get this on the ground, and see how she sounds. Finally putting this thing on the ground. If I had a lift, it would have been like a 10-minute install, you know, but being on the ground and with the space I'm working with, nah, it took a little while. It's more effort than you would think, but we did it. We got it done yesterday. Just push through. So let's get the front down and then we good.